Hi, I'm Lori with Hubert, and today I'm here to show you how to use our Hubert branded electric heating unit with our low profile frame and our induction chafer all together. The first thing I'm going to show you is the electric heating unit. These are sold individually with the cord attached. I have the low profile frame here, and then we also have the induction chafer. So to use these pieces together, I've ordered up 2 of the electric heaters. And I'm just gonna tuck it inside. You will notice on this low profile frame that there is a cutout. The electric heater just drops right inside that cutout. So I'll stick this one in here. You kind of tuck the cord through the back. So as you can see, I have these both in here, again with the cords hanging out the bottom of the low profile frame. And then to finish it up, you take your induction chafer and slide it right on top. And then the last thing that you have to do is just to plug in your electric heating units. And as you can see, that's how you put all of these pieces together to create a combined look. If you have additional questions or need further help, please give us a call. And thanks for watching. See you next time.